In today's episode, we are going to be diving into a battle of AI titans, where we will pit DeepSeek V3 against ChatGPT and explore which one emerges as the ultimate champion. Welcome to Tech AI Brain, your advanced guide through the digital frontier. Created by IT Samurai Teacher, we transform complex technology into accessible knowledge. Our mission: democratizing tech education through clear, comprehensive tutorials on AI, machine learning, and emerging technologies. First up, we'll be assessing their code generation capabilities by dropping some coding prompts in their court. After that, we'll see how well they can handle the infamous Glassbox challenge from Google. And to make things even more interesting, we've thrown in a wildcard that involves generating images based on text descriptions. The results are nothing short of mind-blowing, and the competition is fierce. So let the facts speak, and may the best coder win. Alright, it's time for our first prompt, and we want to see who can generate the most beautiful piece of art using only code. Our challenge is to create an image of a cute cartoon cat wearing sunglasses, sitting on a tropical beach with crystal clear water and palm trees in the background. We're allowing 2 minutes for each participant to showcase their coding prowess. Starting with DeepSeek V3, we dropped the prompt into the system, and just like magic, it started spitting out lines of Python code. Now, this code looks pretty neat, but will it translate into the artistic vision we have in mind? Let's find out. After a few moments of anticipation, DeepSeek V3 presented us with the final code, which included importing CV2 and Matplotlib library along with some image processing functions. It then proceeds to import the image and resize it before performing various operations such as blurring, color adjustment, and applying filters. Finally, it displays the resulting image using Matplotlib. Impressive stuff indeed. Now let's shift our attention to ChatGPT. Can it match DeepSeek's artistic flair, or will it fall short of the mark? Time to find out. ChatGPT starts off strong by providing a detailed step-by-step guide on how to create the image. It begins by suggesting the use of libraries such as OpenCF and Matplotlib. Then it provides instructions on how to load the image, resize it, and apply color adjustments. However, instead of writing code, it gives a textual description of how to achieve the desired effect. Will this translate into a winning piece of art? Only time will tell. Following ChatGPT's instructions, we carefully execute each step. First, we import the necessary libraries, then load the image and resize it to match our vision. Next, we apply color adjustments to enhance the tropical feel. Finally, we display the image using Matplotlib. As we take a closer look at the output, we notice that the generated image bears a striking resemblance to the artwork created by DeepSeek V3. Both images feature a cute cartoon cat wearing sunglasses, lounging on a tropical beach with crystal clear water and palm trees in the background. It's a testament to the power of these AI systems that they were able to capture our artistic vision so accurately. But the battle is not over yet. We still need to determine which artwork is more technically accurate and efficient. Taking a closer look at the code generated by DeepSeek, we notice that it utilizes advanced image processing techniques such as Gaussian, blur, and bilateral filter. These functions help enhance the artistic effect by adding a layer of depth and realism to the final image. In contrast, ChatGPT's approach is more geared towards guiding a human artist rather than generating fully realized code. While its step-by-step instructions are helpful, they lack the technical finesse of DeepSeek's code. Ultimately, we declare DeepSeek the winner of this round. Its ability to generate clean, concise, and highly effective code gives it a significant advantage. In the next round, we are putting these AI heavyweights through a different kind of challenge. This time, we are testing their knowledge and understanding of the world around us. To test, the Google Glassbox challenge requires them to solve problems by reasoning about physical objects and their interactions with the environment. For example, given a set of blocks, the challenge is to determine what can be done with them. It's time for DeepSeek to step back into the ring and show us what it's made of. We drop the question into the system and watch as it starts churning through the possibilities. In a matter of seconds, DeepSeek presents us with a list of actions that can be performed with the blocks. But will these actions make sense in the context of the challenge? Let's find out. The actions range from the practical to the imaginative, such as building a tower, creating a bridge, or even using the blocks as a makeshift musical instrument. Some of the solutions are practical and could actually be achieved with a set of blocks, while others are more imaginative. However, without a clear understanding of the physical properties of the blocks, it's difficult to determine the feasibility of these solutions. Now, let's turn our attention to ChatGPT. How will it fare in this test of physical reasoning? We input the same question into ChatGPT and wait for a response. Like DeepSeek, ChatGPT also generates a list of possible actions, but its solutions are more focused on problem solving. These include stacking the blocks to reach a certain height, arranging them in a specific pattern, or using them as a tool to perform a task. Unlike DeepSeek, ChatGPT seems to have a better grasp of the physical limitations and possibilities of the blocks, making its solutions more practical and grounded in reality. As we analyze the results, it becomes clear that ChatGPT has emerged victorious in this round. Its ability to reason about physical objects and their interactions with the environment gives it a significant edge over DeepSeek. By the way, I'm Alpha, your host, created by IT Samurai Teacher YouTube channel, trained to break down technical concepts with precision and clarity. Together, we'll explore the future of technology. All right, let's continue. We are now at the final round of our AI Showdown, and the competition is heating up. For our final prompt, we have decided to go with something creative that will truly test the limits of these AI systems. We challenge them to create a unique board game based on the popular children's story, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. The catch: they must develop the game mechanics, design the game board, and create illustrations for each element. As we dive into the world of AI artistry, we find ourselves questioning: can machines truly create something as imaginative and intricate as a board game? Let's find out. And there it is, DeepSeek V3's master plan for the board game. At first glance, it appears to have all the essential elements of a captivating game. The board comes equipped with spaces for players to move around, including a starting and ending point. There are also sections for players to test their knowledge about the story and make decisions based on their choices. Furthermore, DeepSeek does not forget to incorporate elements from the story, such as the Three Bears and their chairs. But as we delve deeper into the plan, we notice some inconsistencies. For instance, the system mentions the creation of a spinner, but fails to explain how it would be used in the game. Additionally, some aspects of the plan are not fully fleshed out, leaving us with more questions than answers. Overall, while DeepSeek's plan has some promising ideas, it lacks the level of detail and cohesion needed to create a truly immersive board game. Now, let's turn our attention to ChatGPT. With the fate of the board game hanging in the balance, ChatGPT steps up to the plate with its own game plan. At first glance, its response seems promising. It provides a solid foundation for the game, including the basic premise, game pieces, and rules of play. However, as we continue reading, we start to notice some shortcomings. ChatGPT's plan is rather generic and lacks the creativity needed to stand out. For example, the system suggests using a spinner for players to move around the board, but fails to come up with any unique challenges or obstacles. Additionally, the plan does not provide enough detail for the game's setup or gameplay, leaving us with more questions than answers. As we bring this epic showdown to a close, it's time to declare a winner. And after careful consideration, we have reached a verdict. The crown for the best overall performer goes to none other than ChatGPT. While both systems showed impressive skills, ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like responses and its vast knowledge base gave it a slight edge. On the other hand, DeepSeek V3 wowed us with its technical expertise and artistic flair. Its code generation skills were particularly impressive. So there you have it, folks. While the battle may be over, the war is far from it. We are excited to see how these AI titans continue to evolve and improve. And who knows, maybe one day they'll team up and create something truly extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey through the world of AI. We hope you enjoyed this showdown as much as we did. Don't forget to stay tuned for more exciting updates, and until next time, happy coding!